Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain previous year CAT questions. Here we've got a CAT 2018 RC question and we are going to go through the explanation for it. Before we do that, I would request you to watch the passage analysis video. That's going to greatly help you understand the given passage and its nuances. Let's get started with the question and what is it specifically asking us. The question asks us, what main point does the author want to convey through the examples of the police officer and the surgeon? So he's given these examples in the passage right at the start of the passage, and he asks us why has he used these examples. The question here is, why use these two specific examples? Now the reason is actually directly stated in the passage itself. Let's refer to the context. The context says, but the most dramatic negative effect of metric fixation is the propensity to incentivize gaming, that is encouraging professionals to maximize the metrics in ways that are at odds with the larger purpose of the organization. Now the example of the police officers or the example of the surgeons, wherein they manipulate metrics in order to show that their performance is better than others. That is why the author has used these two examples. They are examples of gaming the system. Remember, gaming the system is basically manipulating the system. It's using the very rules, systems, procedures that were meant to safeguard the system. You use those to exploit the system. Which is the one answer option which highlights this negative behavior, which highlights this manipulation, this deception? Option number B. Metrics linked rewards may encourage unethical behavior among some professionals. That is the correct answer. This is the reason why the author used this particular examples of the police officer and the surgeon. He wanted to show that how some professionals, they can game the system and indulge in unethical behavior. Now let's evaluate the other options as well, and let's try to understand why these options are not the correct answers. Option A, some professionals are likely to be significantly influenced by the design of performance measurement systems. The problem is we don't know whether this is positive or negative influence. We need an outrightly negative answer option. They might be positively influenced as well, right? So this is not the reason why the author used these examples. Also, there is no mention of design of performance measurement systems. We are basically dealing with metrics in this particular case, metric fixation. Option number C, the actions of police officers and surgeons have a significant impact on society. They significantly impact society. Again, an incorrect answer choice in this particular case. This is not a positive answer option. This is not a positive context. This is not a place where the author wants to convey that police officers and surgeons are doing something positive. Also remember, these two are just police officers and surgeons in this particular case. They are symbols here. They are symbolic of larger professional behavior, larger metric fixation. Option number D, critical public roles should not be evaluated on metrics-based performance measures. Remember, the passage is not about public or private roles. The police officer or the surgeon, these are not, the classification here is not whether these are public employees or not. The classification here is whether they are gaming the system or not. Hence, another option which is ruled out. The correct answer here is option number B. This is how you evaluate this question and arrive at the correct answer. Hopefully, so you are clear with the question now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.